What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading live stream, stocks and futures. Today is Thursday, January 8th, 2026, and we're going to get up into these charts. Man, we're going to get into these charts, get us some trades in, and call it a day. Okay? But before we do, y'all know what we got to do. We got to get our prayer in first. So let's go ahead and bow our head, close our eyes. God, first we want to give honor to you. For being ahead of our lives, Lord. We just want to say thank you for allowing us to wake up to see another day, allowing us to be able to be on this earth once again, Lord. Um, Thank you for allowing us to be able to just be out and be able to admire and take in everything that you created for us, Lord, and gave us the opportunity to do. The Lord asks you to continue to just guide us throughout the day, continue to be our personal protection, Lord, when we go out here in this world, as of course the enemy tries his best to attack us, but I ask that you be our shield of protection and we continue to stand on your word. For the people that may not be as close to you, Lord, I ask you that someone who is a believer in you and a follower of Christ come across their path and show a good light of you to draw them in closer, Lord. I ask you let them have a relationship with you, and the ones that do have relationships with you, that we grow stronger in it and deeper into it, Lord. I ask you that we always put you first, no matter what the situation is, no matter what we may be thinking we're facing, with challenges, whatever we think may be big at the moment is never bigger than you. So we just want to continue to always give you honor, glory, and praise as we get on these charts. We ask for your guidance, your healing, your wisdom, everything, Lord. I ask you to let us use our gifts and talents and blessings to our strengths today. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right. Now, let's get into these charts, y'all. Let's get into these charts. Honestly, I'm going to be honest. I'm mostly just going to probably be looking at M&Q today. We're going to keep it kind of simple today. I don't think we're going to mess with no options today. But looking at the daily, like we said, we want one or two things to happen. When we was in the when we did our announcements last night, excuse me. We said we want one or two things to happen. For the Bulls, of course, y'all want this candle to still stay green. So we want to see what uptrend forming above 25,789. We want to see uptrend forming above there, take it up to the top of this gap. Like we said, once it gets to the top of this or the bottom of this big daily gap, really don't want to trade inside that little small range at when it gets to 818. We want to let it break above at that point, and then we ride it. Get in above it on an uptrend. For the downside, of course, like I said, we want that biggest level for them is 794. And they want to see that downtrend underneath it. We see that downtrend underneath it. So let's go to price as of right now. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Looking at current price, we can go on the 1 hour first. 1 hour, we closed inside it. We did close inside. We did already touch the other side. So at this point, either want to retest and make an uptrend again to go back, or fail to retest, break to the downside, make a downtrend, and take us down to the other gap. We might have to drop down to the 5-minute just to see. So 5-minute, we broke out. Let's see if it's gonna make a downtrend underneath here, and then we can potentially take shorts down to 5-minute key levels. Okay, so if we see a downtrend start to form underneath here, we could take shorts to this low first. Well, we do got a 5-minute gap, so maybe right there first. If it pull back, of course, eventually down to that hourly. That daily gap. Like we said, if it want to come build base or back above, make an uptrend inside, we can take it back up. It is a small range though, cause literally look, made our high, And even though it didn't make a higher low, it just instantly was already at the target. So this is a real small range. Like I said, I personally would rather have us break up here above 834 before I really want to go heavy. Like I go in a light long here and there. Inside of here, I go in probably one con, but what I really want to see is us drop further. You know, I want to see us drop further down if we want shorts, or if I want longs, I want to see us push up further. Cause all this inside of this range right here is real choppy waters, okay? Real choppy waters, okay? So as of right now, after open, I'm not really too interested in too many trades right now. 1 second. And then we can go over SPY though. Let me go over SPY real quick. SPY, uh, SPY actually gapped down. SPY actually gapped down into the gap. What we wanted to see is a retest of the gap, down, up, downtrend form, take it down to its hourly. It already doing it right now. So this was supposed to have been the shorts right here. When it broke here, supposed to took them shorts down to the hourly. See if we want to close inside and form a downtrend inside there to take it all the way down to 688. But it's doing it currently right now. We can't get in options because we can't get into what 830. So you just miss most of that beginning part of that trade. You'll just have to wait until either it comes below here and look for the shorts down to 687, or if we bounce back up again, look for that same trade. But it's already doing the trade currently, and you see we can't get in because it's the pre-market. Okay. Go back to the M&Q. Y'all say what up if y'all up in here, man. I know my boy Mel probably in here. We might got Amp in here too. I know Amp said he was in. Well, I ain't saying Amp. Pops. That my dad, y'all. If y'all want to know, he was in here yesterday too. He just wasn't speaking in the chat, but he was in here. Yo, what up, man? Like we said, man, we pretty much that's all we looking for M&Q. Cause like we can take the loans up here, but it's so short of a range. Like I said, look right here. It broke above and instantly went to that high. So it's like, I mean, we can see it potentially build some structure above, but it's so short of a range. I'm gonna probably get in like one contract. Now, if we break above here and make the uptrend, I would definitely like to take um getting a little heavier. But it's definitely a little tricky though to play in this range, and I definitely don't want it between these two gaps right here that overlap on SPY. Definitely don't want it over on them two. Let's look at the hourly. Hourly we got broke, made a higher high. Okay, let's see. Higher high, up, higher high. Then we made our low. Oh, this was number 3 right here. So we might be getting number 4. Um, might be getting number 4 for that A plus entry. Then that'll make me want to get in that long. So if we get a red hourly candle, right? If we get another, if this hourly candle be red, if we can get a green candle without taking number 2, I'm gonna go in alone on based off the hourly. I would go in alone, based off the hourly. If we get a red for the first 9 o'clock candle, then a green for the 10 o'clock candle, I'll definitely get in alone for the hour based off the hourly. Cause number two, let me put my magnet on. Cause we can't put it at the pinpoint. First, hold up, delete this line. Turn the magnet on. Okay, there we go. 25,739 is a new solidify level on the hourly. And I'm gonna set alert if we do break it, so I know, hey, it just broke that uptrend. But right now, it's in the uptrend right now. We just had a high, low, higher, high. So the bulls are in control, but we did hit first target, which is his daily gap and it's the hourly gap. So we already hit targets. It's just now, is it gonna try to stay the uptrend or is it gonna push down to the downside? If you want, because like we said, when number three broke, that's your entry. You could potentially get in one light and just go ahead and set your stop down there. Go ahead and set your stop loss down there. Oh my bad, I forgot I was in NYM shorts. Oh my goodness, I had gotten some NYM shorts at the open, not the open, like at the beginning. Hold up, I forgot we was in them things. We set them them targets. We set them targets. We already had hit target one. My first target was this pink line. It's already sold off too. Then this was my next target. But we only got one contract left. I was in like 5 contracts. Yeah, I was in 5 contracts. But we only got one left. I was in some shorts. I seen on that 5 minute we were making a downtrend. I grabbed where I got in it. I got in here. I got in here when I seen the downtrend stay confirmed. Stop loss was up here. Um, hold up, could we probably get out this last little running right here? Yeah, I'm trying to set this stop loss. Give me a second, y'all. Buy stop at the top of that counter. Alright, but yeah, like I was saying, I seen we was in a downtrend already, so I just set my stop loss at the solidify level up here. And was aiming for 5 minute gaps and lows. Like we said, we hit our targets. We at least hit target one. Alright, it came back. So we can exit. That was $50 we made. Before the market opened, this uptrend, let's see this uptrend going on MNQ. Like I said, we can probably get in one light. We might get in one light. Let me see if the lower time frame making the uptrend. Nah, it's not just yet. So we gonna wait. We gonna wait. But like I said, our biggest thing we're looking for is if you on this hourly, we got high, low, higher, high. This is setting up for potentially number 4 as long as it don't break number 2. If it break number 2, then it don't get in no longs. Okay, we break number 2, don't get the longs. It look like we getting close to it. You know what? Since we getting so close, I'm gonna grab one because our stop will be extremely small. Our stop can be extremely small now since it's so close to number 2. If it break number 2, that's fine though. You just get out. Alright, we out. It broke it. Uptrend broke. It's fine. We pretty much it was a free trade because we had MNQ. We made 50 off of it, so pretty much made us a free trade. But it broke that uptrend, so we can delete that. Well, you know what? It broke the low. It still could flip green though, but it did break that low. So that solidified level is gone. We're gonna wait and see if these shorts finna come through and completely break this downtrend or what. But that wasn't a bad of a trade because we were so close at solidified level. I was seeing if we was gonna push all the way back up, but it broke the solidified level. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. We got 30 minutes, like 28 minutes to the hourly close. After breaking that, I am looking for us to potentially start making a downtrend underneath it to come on head down to this low down here, potentially. Like unless it's completely switched back green, that's the only way. We're not looking for them shorts, but I'm more looking towards them shorts now since we just broke that trend. Unless we trying to range in the middle still. That's the only thing. If we trying to range in the middle, that's the only thing. Let's see if we can get this downtrend to form under that hourly low. But we definitely look for that short opportunities. If we can't build no downtrend underneath there, I think we finna start ranging. Alright, failed to close underneath it. Close green, we might start coming up now. If it start making an uptrend, we finna range. That's how you can identify we finna range, because we just made a lower low. It failed to keep going down below. And then that mean we'll be ranging. So let's see, can it push down there and stay underneath it? Like we said, first target is 671 based off that hourly. See if we can keep pushing. 1 minute, we is in a downtrend on the 1 minute. If it close red here, I think I'm gonna grab one light short and see if we can sit on it. Go to that 5 minute real quick. See if it's gonna hold up. We gonna trail stops super tight. Like when we up 20, we gonna look like right now we up 20. Gonna bring stop down. We up 40, bring stop down. We trailing tight on these trades. We ain't even gonna play with it right now. I would leave it up here, but we trying to at least, get back our loss. So we just trailing tight. Like I said, we pretty much broke even though, cause if MIM I made 50, then we lost 49 right there. So we pretty much break even on that trade, that first trade. This is actually profit for us right here. So we took $70. So we up 70 on the day. Let me see. Yeah, we up 71 on the day. Like we said, target was down here, but it might do a pullback first before just going straight down. I mean, it's a chance it can go straight down there, but I'm thinking we might do a pullback, potentially, especially if we get a green candle. All right. If this 1 minute give us a green candle, I definitely think we getting this retest to this level. So we got what we see on the 1 minute. We see 1, 2, 3. If this green come, that's potentially number 4 game set up. All we need is a red without taking number 2. If we get a green candle here. And like I said, I do want to be sitting on these higher time frames. But my solidified level on the 5 minutes are all the way up here, you know. So if we can get a 5 minute green candle, then I'll get off the 5 minute instead. We can get a green for the 5, make a lower low, or a red candle after that, then I'll get in on the 5. But right now, is the only trades it's giving us is on the 1 minute. Now it very well can turn red here. I don't want it to turn red here. I really don't, but it very well can turn red right here. I'm ready for it to keep. I wanted it to retest this. Retest this daily gap right here. And then turn red after retesting it. Because now I know our downtrend is all the way secured. It's about to turn red. We'll get in one light, but dang. Let's get in one light. I'll stop up there. It take that high, I'm probably gonna go and close. I don't even feel like seeing that pullback come that high. We really don't want to see this pullback. But that's what we supposed to wait on. I'ma still hold. You just gotta wait till it drop. I would aim for down here, but I'm just gonna aim for number 3 just in case it take 3 and then reverse back up. I'm just gonna aim for 3 in case it reverse back up. I wanna aim down here, but after seeing that, it would probably just take 3 and go right back up. So I do know we gonna take 3 just because it's our A. This supposed to be our A plus entry, so it should take 3. We should take 3 eventually whenever it finally comes down. Should take 3. We should take 3. All right, we took 3. Like we said, that's the A plus entry. So I wasn't scared with this pullback because I know, hey, this is an A plus entry for me. It should take number 3. Now it don't guarantee that we come here. It's a chance we can, but it can very well push up and reverse. It look like if we close past 3, we should go right here. We close past 3, we should come down to 671. We should. I ain't gonna say 100% because it might be a 1 minute gap somewhere over there, but we should come tap this if we close below number 3. And if y'all wondering what I mean by number 3, if y'all don't know, we said 1, 2, 3. Here go number 4. Then it should take 3. We took 3. We did close past it. Like I said, we should be coming down here, but it might be some 1 minute gaps over there, and I'm not going that far back over, so I'm not gonna even play around with it because this is an hourly target, so I can't necessarily say, oh, the 1 minute gonna go to the hourly target. I gotta see the 1 hour give me that downtrend so I can know for a fact we coming down there. So I will need down, up, then another lower low, then I know we coming there off the hourly. But right now we're up 109, 110. So we decent. It look like we finna go down there, man. Look like we taking it. We literally inches away. It should take it. Yeah, it should take it at this point. Okay, it took it. Now, is it gonna stay under there like we did this one? Like we did this previous hourly right here. We stayed underneath it so far. So we want to see, can we build that downtrend underneath here? And our next target will be, let's mark out the target on the hourly. Next target is, of course, the bottom of this gap. So we can just put a box there instead of, because this was our 2 targets on the hourly. Let's put a box there. Orange. And then next target is this low. Let's mark out that low. Orange. And then of course we got the daily gap right there. So is it gonna close inside here, make a downtrend? If it make a downtrend in here, we can take it to the bottom of the gap, possibly here. If it don't close in here and it start making an uptrend, we can aim back up to well, we do got these gaps here. Do the hourly gap. Alright, so now let's go back to 5 and 1 minute. 5 minute, you really can't get in based on these 2 gaps just because the gap is too small. You get what I'm saying? Like the gap is too small. Like if soon the green candle come, you ain't even got room for that uptrend to form. It's gone. By the time I make the uptrend, it's already hit the hourly gap. So let's go to, I told y'all we don't want to be on the 1 minute, but literally these trades are in such a tight range of key levels that we kind of gotta look at this 1 minute. Because it's just so tight. That's what, like, whenever the market in a tight area like that, it'd be hard to trade them higher time frames unless you don't mind having big stop losses. Because you're gonna have to have kind of bigger stop losses than you used to if you try and trade on the higher time frames when we chopping like that. So we got a high, got a low. Is it gonna make a higher high? If it does, it is going here, at least here. Possibly up to this high. But I don't really, I don't really want. I really want us to keep going in this downtrend. Honestly, we made a lower low, solidified this high right here on the 1 minute. It's just can it close below there now to continue dropping. If it closed below, I think we might grab one stop loss up there and just ride it, see if we can keep going. Well, never mind then. It just shot straight down. We couldn't get in. It just shot straight down. It's fine. I was gonna say if it closed below there, I think we was gonna try to ride it down, but it shot straight down. We ain't gonna worry about it. That's the thing with that 1 minute. It moves extremely fast, man. It moves extremely fast. 5 minute, like we said, 5 minute people. If you would have jumped in, your stop loss sitting up that high, but you still good. You still in on the 5 minute. It's just your stop loss all the way up there. That's the thing. Based off solidified levels. 15 minute stop loss would have been all the way up here. See, that's what I'm saying. Your stop would be extremely high. If you didn't get in initially when these downtrends form. Because they ain't giving us no pullback. They literally ain't giving us no pullback chances. A lot of these trades that we've been seeing these past couple days, we've been having to get in off the B plus entries. Because if you don't catch it on the B plus entry, it's over with. Because look, right here we had. But this one even fully the B plus entry because we didn't even get no lower high. This just was instantly soon it did that downtrend. I mean, soon it made a lower low. So this not even a B plus entry. We just only got the lower low right now. We just got number one right now. It's just going crazy off number one on the hourly. On the 5 minute, we actually got the B. This was the B entry though. We had low, high, lower low, right? And it's gone, it's gone. Dang, that mud dropping crazy. We was still in that mud, boy. We've been up about probably about 300-400. But we got out trailing our stop. I think didn't we get out here, y'all, on that second trade when it made it? No, we held it. We just got out earlier once it hit our target. Probably could have sat behind our solidified levels and held, but I just didn't want to play them bounce. I was like, we up 106. I'm straight with that. But it definitely, dang, we would just sit behind those solidified levels instead of going closing ourselves. We've been up good right now. Real good. Cause look, solidified level. This where our first stop was at. Then we got our money when it made that low. Cause I trailed it tight. Oh yeah, that was what I trailed it tight. And then we got kicked out. Yeah. I just didn't feel like I didn't want it to come back to that solidified level, that's all. And break back to the other side. I was trying to take my money after our first pretty much draw even. But if we would have stayed behind the solidified levels here, let it drop, let it do this pullback, solidify level, we still been in this trade right now because it never broke any solidified levels yet on the 1 minute. But it's okay. I mean, like I said, we took 100 off, but let me see how much we actually would have took. Let me see how much we would have took if we stayed in it. Because we was in two. When we in two, y'all? I think we was in two. So let me see how much we actually would have made. Where price is at? Somewhere down here. Oh, my bad. Dang, oh no, we missed out on some money. We missed out on like $400, man. We only took 1/4 of it. I mean, it's fine. I mean, market in these tight situations, man, take your money when you can. That's all I can say. We could have made 400 right there, but it's fine. It's okay. We just was trying to do what you comfortable, do what you comfortable with. If you feeling like, man, that market too risky looking and at any moment it can might bounce, trail your stop. If you feel like, hey, no, I know we going down there, this, and that, then you can wait on some more solidified levels to come. You ain't gotta be scared. the biggest thing is the hardest thing is when you first get in your initial, of course, you know you're gonna be negative if you hit your stop loss. That second time you get your new lower high, more times than not, it's gonna either be very little negative or break even. And that be the hardest part, getting through them two solidified levels, because your body, your brain be telling you, man, if it reverse, I ain't gonna get nothing, you know. And that's kind of like that would make you trail your stops instead of just letting these solidified levels play out, you know. Even me, you know what I'm saying? Y'all have seen it literally live. I took $100, we could have made $400. Well, hey, my nerves got a little bit on me where, hey, I don't want to risk it bouncing back up. I just trailed my stop. We only made 70, then we made the little 30 there. So we made 100 off of that trade versus we could have, if we would have just been like, hey, no, we just gonna wait until these solidified levels actually break, we never would have been out, you know. Never would have been out if we waited till it actually broke. But I just me knowing, hey, I got in on the 1 minute. I know 1 minute get faked out a lot. So I'm taking more than one thing into play. Hey, I'm in on the 1 minute. A lot of times solidified levels get broke on the 1 minute more often. 5 minutes, last solidified level all the way up here. So at any moment, one green candle can push us all the way up. Then like I said, the hourly is just this just the number one on the trend. It's literally just a breakout. So we ain't even got 2 or 3 yet, you know. So that's why I was like, nah, it's a chance that any moment it can push all the way back up. I'm not even finna risk it. So that's why I trail personally. I trail my stop. But like we said, if we work, you know, under that little nerves, I said everybody have it, man. I'm not 100% perfect every time. Sometimes I'm gonna get out of the trade earlier than I need to. Um, of course, I did have the confidence to hold through here because it did make that higher high. But I was like, no, I know this is a number 4 entry. I know this is an A plus entry, you know. So I held it. I was like, yes, it's gonna come back down. We held it. We won the trade. So it's certain areas where I know where to hold and not to hold. Then there's other areas where I might get a little anxious, you know, and put my trail and stop loss on. We all human, man. We ain't 100% perfect. If everybody can do discipline to a T, everybody in the world will be in shape. Everybody in the world will be constantly reading their Bible every day. We humans, we it's hard to be a stick and be a discipline to every single thing all the time. So you got certain spots where we might slack up here and there. So, but as of right now, what I'm looking for, I'm more waiting on this hourly candle to close. Um, we tried to break underneath this hourly gap. Retest failed. We got another break again. Can the retest hold to lead us to this downtrend? Okay. And then, dang, what's the next hourly targets? Because we didn't took both them hourly targets out. Next hourly target is here. Let me mark it out. Next hourly target is at 25,590. Then the next target is right here. And this will be an actual solidified level target. 25,527. So we took this. Can we make a downtrend? That's the thing. So I very well can see if the next hourly candle close green, I very well can see us retesting this 25,730 area to see if it want to stay underneath. Or at least it's 25,000. I say between 25,708 up to 25,730. I can see it retesting that to see if it want to stay underneath for this downtrend. Because the reason why I say that is this is where we had our higher high, higher low, higher high. This was that break of that higher low. So now it's trying to see if it want to stay below. Because last time we retested and it failed. This time we're gonna retest and stay under. If we would do the retest, because if we just keep going red, we could just keep dropping and go straight to this 590 level. All right, we got a green candle finally a green candle on the on the 5 minute. Now, what I will want to see on the 5 minute, I mean, even if it come retest to 780, that stop loss still suck. I ain't gonna lie. Look at the 5 minute, y'all. Stop loss still suck. If you're trying to go short, because that stop loss all the way up there, man. Look, stop loss all the way up there. That's a big stop loss. I do think I want to take these loans back up to this gap though, potentially. It is a 1-to-1, but that's a huge stop loss though, man. That's like $300 and $400 stop loss. We ain't even trying to risk it. Let's see. We get a higher high. This will be number 2. So break here. This will be number 2. First target is this high here. See what it's gonna do. I hate that it's doing it right at this dang 1 hour though. Alright, what we finna do? Flipping back red. Alright, green. Let's exit that. See what's gonna happen, man. Let's see what's gonna happen. Go back to that 5 minute. Back on it. Okay, we got greens. It's telling us it's trying to look for some type of high. Is it gonna be a lower high uh, or lead us to a higher high? Really don't want it. If we don't, come on down. It might be a real quick trade because literally that next target right there. Yeah, I don't think I want that short. That next target literally right there, man. I ain't trying to play like that. That next target too close. Unless we trying to break this 25, this is a daily gap. But literally that next target, that 25,590 right there. So I don't know if we really want to take that short right there. Cause it can literally take the target and go right back up instantly. And I'll be mad, but I ain't gonna lie. Let's do that. Let's go back to that 5 minute. Let's see what's going on. Now, if we get a 5 minute red candle, fail to make a lower low, and we make a higher high, I'll take the loans, like I said, all the way up to this gap first at that 730 area we was talking about. But I think if this close red, we gonna make that lower low, and I think we gonna take 590. That's what I'm thinking. If we do make a red candle. It's looking like we are. We got high, low, high, lower, low. Dang, we did miss this B entry right here. I just not seen it. We missed our B entry on the 1 minute, but it's fine. I just seen we missed that. I was so focused on trying to push to the upside. Literally, because this was our B entry right here. We had down. Wait, hold up. Um, I'm putting it all wrong. My bad. Down, up, B entry. But look, that B entry instantly went back up, though. You only would have been in for a little bit. Literally would have been in for a little bit because it came right back up after it broke it. After it broke previous low. Come on, man. What we finna do, man? What we finna do? This that level to break right here. If the Bulls want to get in control. I'm put a 5 entry right there. We break that. I want them long. Up to 7 or 8 area. Mm, mm, mm. I think we finna come down here and get this 590 like we said. But I'm trying to let it play out. I think we finna get this 590 though. Let me go to that 5 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, we finna get this red counter. I think we finna get this 590, y'all. I think it's finna come down there. All I gotta do is push a little bit more. There it go. It got the 590. Now, is it gonna flip instantly back to uptrend or what? That's the thing. Or is we gonna keep dropping? What we gonna do? I wanted to take them shorts, but I just didn't like it. I didn't like it because, like I said, it can tap it and come straight back up, switch to uptrend. So that's the only thing I didn't want to play around with. It tapping it and coming right back to an uptrend. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Let's see, is it gonna close underneath? 8, 6, 3, 2. It closed on it. Hey, it closed on it. You don't know what it's gonna do. We chilling. We chilling. We chilling. We chilling. All we need is one more good trade so we can get our 200 for the day. So we ain't trying to play around. We trying to find some decent trades at least. All we need is one more trade. I wanted to jump in that short, but it's just so close to the main target. Next target for it though is 527. If we can close hourly, if the hourly can close below this 590 area, the next target is 527. Look, that's too far to look at that 1 minute. I ain't looking that far for no 1 minute target. Everybody looking that far for no 1 minute targets, man. Too far to look. See what it's gonna do. So 5 minute, we did make our new solidified level. So if you got in that B entry, you up right now. It's just like I said, I was gonna get in it, but it's just so close. It was so close to the next hourly target. It could have been broke it and jumped right back up inside. And I've been mad that I got in if it shot right back up instantly. But this is our solidify level right here at on the 5 minute. I'm on the 5 minute if y'all want to know. Solidify level at 676.25 for the 5 minute. That's the can't be level right now. This is that, like we said, this is the B entry right here. Got the low, got the high, got that lower low. That's the B entry. See what's gonna happen though. It closed below this low, then it should be dropping some more. Should be dropping even more. I don't know where the next 5 minute target. Next 5 minute target. Ain't got a lot of targets sitting over here. Got a lot of 5 minute targets sitting over here. Hold up. We got this 5 minute target. I don't know if we already took it under the market. That 5 minute target, this 5 minute target, this 5 minute target. Got a whole bunch of 5 minute targets sitting here to take out. Alright, so it took this one out, so we could delete that one. Well, you know what? We didn't have to delete because it didn't close past it. It took it, but it didn't close past it. Alright, pushing up. That's exactly what I was thinking for that. It's literally what I was thinking for that dang B plus inch. I was like, bro, it can take it and then flip. Literally, it took it. It did give y'all some money though. I ain't gonna lie. I give y'all that. It did give y'all some money, but it pushed right back up like we said, bro. That's why I didn't want to take that dang trade. I said, heck no, like, cause it could have did this what it just did here. It could have did it right on the orange line and pushed up. So that's why I didn't want to take that trade. It could have did it right on that orange line. I think I want to take a long right now. Let's get in one long. I think I want to take a long. See if we can break that high. All right, we broke the high. Oh no, we didn't. We got close. I'm gonna set the stop loss when we break it though. All right, we broke it. Oh no, I sold. I was trying to set I put a limit when I sold it. I wanted to hold that dang trade, bro. Oh my goodness. I pressed sell. Well, this is what I pressed, y'all. I pressed um sell limit. When I pressed sell limit, it dang sold I was supposed to put sell stop, but I pressed sell limit and it sold my dang contract. We supposed to still be in that trade. Ah, dang. It's alright though. It's fine. I mean, we made on that trade? $26. I didn't try to sell that though. I did not try to sell that. Oh man, that the reason why I did it. If y'all don't know how TraderVate work, you click on the screen and you press sell or buy. But if you above it, if I'm in a uptrend, I'm in the long. If I'm above it and I press the sell button, it's gonna say sell limit. If I'm below, it's gonna say sell stop. So I was trying to set it right, and I was trying to make a sell stop. But I guess price pushed down right when I pressed it. And when I pressed it, it made a sell limit. So it instantly sold. But it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. But God dang, bro. I was trying to hold that mug. Cause I do think we probably gonna come up to 708. I would have had one entry here, then another entry here. We would have ate good. But like I said, we made like $26, $27 right there. If we make this higher high, I think I'm gonna get in a B entry. But it gotta be a green counter closure. I can't just get in right now. I gotta have a green counter first. So if it take the high even if it take the high, I can't get in right now unless we take this high over here. Then I can get in because that's that 5 minute high, and that'll make a higher high. But I will. That's the thing though. We'll be getting in on number one. So that do suck. So it can very well pull back hard on us. It can pull back like down here and then eventually come back up. That's the only thing that suck if we get kicked in right here. Very well can pull back hard. Oh, snap! Hurry up! Bye, 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 bye. My bad. I did not see that. Sell stop down here. I'm gonna put the target where we got our entry at. Well, never mind. It's pushing it. I ain't even gonna be able to put target, is it? Let me see if I can put target. Sell limit. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna sell one here, and then it's gonna trigger me another one, just so it can counteract. And cause I'm think we're gonna probably pull back. I think we're gonna probably pull back. I don't know if we're gonna go straight to my target. Okay, sold one, and then it should put me in the other. I think. Hold up. What? Yeah. Didn't it sell one? And they say I'm in two. Hold up, what's going on? Here gonna this trader bait, y'all. I ain't familiar with it. Cause I'm in one. Yeah, I'm in one. I'm in one. Okay, I'm in one. So it sold one. It sold one. It sold one. Like we said, we in one. I do think we probably gonna pull back. We probably gonna pull back. Probably down here. So hey, we can't be scared. Can't be scared. Cause like I said, we get in on number one. We getting in on number one on this thing. On our reversal, which is not the best spot to get in on. We don't really want to get in on number one. You know what? I might actually get out because like I said, we don't want to get in on number one. We did make 20. How much we made on that last one? We made 27 on that last one. That one we had entered in. But this one I might get out though. This one we entered in just now. I don't know. Let me see. Did the 5 minute close above? Oh, 5 minute close above. We might get a little bit more push, possibly. Yeah, we might get pushed up here. Let's see. We got 5 minute gaps anywhere. We might get our push up there if we ain't got no gaps. I don't see no gap. I think we might get up there, y'all. Oh, we do got a gap right there. Well, let me bring this down to that gap. See, let's go to that 1 minute. Man, stay in the uptrend then, man, and go to the first target. We get out. All right, we getting a low. What's gonna happen? Is it gonna make this lower low or what? Cause literally, if it come make this lower low, it's basically gonna cancel this trade out we just took. So we basically gonna just be right back at $100. Come on, don't make the lower low. But we basically gonna be right back at $100 if it comes kick us out right here. Don't make the lower low. Push back up. Push back up. We need a green counter to come. Don't come make the lower low, cause we're gonna be back at $100. That basically gonna cancel our other trade out. Like I said, we did get in. Oh, based on the 5 minute, we got in a bad spot because we got in literally at the first higher high. So unless this next one close green, then we good. Uh-oh, here we go. Come on, give us a green counter. Give us a green counter. Now I can at least bring stop up. I'm probably gonna bring stop to break even once we close past these highs. Stop's gonna go to break even. Cause we ain't giving none of it back. We up 150 on the day. We just need $50 more for our 200 mark. Then we chilling. Literally, we just need $50 more. And we straight. Come on, man. Push up, push up, push up. Mm-mm. Mm. At least close green. That's at least what I want to see. At least close green. At least close green here. Closing green here is at least one more step closer to getting us up there. Okay, we close green. Now we just need this higher high to get go. Come on, man. Give us the higher high. Don't be on Chop City. Come on, man. Go and make that higher high. We don't feel like dealing with Chop City. Make this higher high. Make this higher high. Push, push, push. Let's see the 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute real quick. Yeah, you gotta make this higher high. This 5 minute need to close green. Push up now. This 5 minute need to close green. We only got 2 minutes. We only got 2 minutes, man. Come on. We need this 5 minute to close green. Oh man, they closing red. Come on, push up. This counter needed. We need a big green counter. Now, if y'all wanting to get in though, I'll tell y'all this before this thing change. We made higher high. This will be the low if it be red. If it turn red, it's gonna be the low. Um, and then all you need is a higher high, and that'll be our B plus entry to get in. If it turn red, if we get this counter to be red on the 5 minute, which I don't want, but if it turn red, it is what it is. Come on, turn green, turn green. Dang it, it's red. Here we go. Here we go. What's gonna happen? Is we gonna get stopped out, or is we gonna get up there? Real deal stop supposed to be down here, but I don't want my stop down there. I'm on a 1 minute stop loss, so hopefully this 1 minute hold up. Cause really my stop will be down there, but I'm not. I'm trying to at least have this trade. If we do lose it, we still be up 100. So come on, make a higher high. Push up, man. Push up. And you need to close fast high at that, not just push up. Dang, man. We could cut and break even. But I ain't doing it though. We ain't doing it. We trying to see it go up. Come on, push up, bro. We right there. Make a dang high. There we go. Come on, go to TP. Go to TP, bro. Just go to TP so we can get out. Go to TP so we can get out. I need to close above this high. Come on, bro. You can't close past the high. Close past the high. Inches away. Either hit TP or close past the high. One or two, bro. What y'all doing? Oh my good, it ain't finna close past. Golly, bro. We better be in some Chop City. Come on, close pass. Close pass, I know we going to TP at that point. Come on, stay above the white line. Okay, we should go to TP now. Come on, bro. We should be going to TP. Should be going to TP. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. Come on, we should be going up. Come on up there. 5 minute, especially this 5 minute close green. 5 minute close green, we go. Oh man, they playing some games. I'm still holding though. We still holding. We ain't gonna give up just yet. They definitely played us right there. We should have been going. Dang, we might get chopped up. It might be coming down, playing around. Unless we can close back green above the line again. Come on, can we close green back above again? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Cause they played us. We slick supposed to hit TP. And I ain't gonna lie. I just thought of something. I should, when we close green above here, I should have brought my stop to break even. That's what I should have did. Next time we do it, I'm gonna bring it to break even again. So if we close back above this white line again, I'm gonna actually set it to break even if we don't hit my TP. There, there we go. TP hit 34 mode. We finna be at 200. Let's see, bro. We only $9 away from 200. Come on, bro. $9 away. Come on, bro. We $9 from 200. We might go hit a NYM for these last little $9. I don't know if we want to play with. I don't know if I want to play with. I don't know if I want to play with M&Q, especially for just trying to get $9 more. They probably play around with me, boy. I'll be mad at them. So let's look at the MIM. We finna do a live, a live. God dang, MIM uptrend above the hourly gap, but that mud went crazy. High, low, higher, high, gone. You know what? It did just make this new higher high. Stop would have been there. Let's go on the 1 minute real quick. Got a low. If this goes green above this high, we set stop here, and we'll get a long. See if we can squeeze out $9. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we need a green counter here. We need a green counter right here. See if we can squeeze out $9. Only thing suck, we do not know where the next target is on the left. I'm gonna be mad in the mud. It instantly reverse on this. Let's look over here to the left, at least for the 5 minute. 5 minute target. 5 minute target. 5 minute target. Is that a 5 minute gap? Oh, heck no. It's a 5 minute gap there, too. Yeah, we would have got to it jumping in. It could instantly reverse on us. Okay, it's pulling back. This should be. Dang, bro. I tried to get in sooner than that. It got me in way later than I wanted to. I about to say that should be we around the area we should be pushing up. Dang, it got me in too late. We would have already made my $9. It got me in too late. At least close green right here. Come on, close green. Close green. It's definitely on that dang 5 minute gap though. Come on, close green, bruh. Close green, bruh. Literally, we betting against this dang 5 minute gap. That literally probably can lead us to that reversal. Ah, shoot. We literally betting against a 5 minute gap. That's horrible. God dang, I was trying to catch you soon. It was down here, y'all, and take it up to the 5 minute gap. Dang, bro, it probably reverse right here. Come on, stay green, stay green, stay green. Take that previous high. What was that, $4? How much we took off there? Cause I don't even know. Dang, we only got $3. We still $7 away. God dang. I wanted a hold, but it's literally a 5 minute gap. I ain't finna play like that with no 5 minute gap. It could break it, but that's just too risky. It could literally shoot straight down, make that lower low. Dang, but we only need $7 more, bro. That's it. Look, then it turned red. See, I would have been mad. I would have been mad right there. It could make a higher high right here, though. Let's see. Is you gonna make a higher high right here? Or is you gonna shoot down, make that lower low? It could make a higher high. Mel, you still up in here, bro? Let me go to that 5 minute real quick. 5 minute. Is this 5 minute close red? Do we want to grab a short? I don't know about that. I don't know about if we want to grab a short if we close red. Just because solidify level right here. Unless we think it's gonna reverse off this 5 minute gap. Oh, this is difficult. This is difficult. Because it could very well reverse off this 5 minute gap right here. And if it does, it should come down to this 5 minute gap. And then that should be at least our little $7 we need. If it closes, never mind, it's pushing up. Oh, snap, it disrespected it. That would have been a dang $7 we needed. They just made that new higher high. Let's get in one long. Y'all better not shoot all the way down. Oh my goodness. Come on, bro. Don't shoot down to make a red. Oh my goodness, bro. Yeah, dang. Put this stop loss on. We gonna call it. We lose this mud. We gonna do one more trade and we gonna call bump trying to get the last $7. Cause we is not finna let this come all the way back. Okay, close green. Good. Close green. There we go. We just need $7, bro. That's it. I think this would be $7 if we get up to here. Just wake up and get us $7, bro. Come on. I think this would be $7 if we get up here. Just wake up. Just do a random wake up. Come on, bro. Ah, dang, bro. I do not want to see this reverse off this gap. Push up, push up, push up. We at least closed in it, so we at least supposed to got to the other side of the gap. But now, can we go above it? That's what I'm trying to see. No, come on, no. Stay up there. At least stay in it. Come on, bro. At least stay inside. If this one don't work out, we just calling it though, y'all. We ain't even finna play. We was trying to get 7, but we kick us out. He kick us out. Oh no, come on, bro. We getting kicked out. We getting kicked out. Golly, we trying to get that little 7. Well, then we end up leaving with 180 on the day. All right, it's fine. We just trying to catch a little $7, but it's fine. We walk away with 180. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one though. If I get in any extra trades, y'all know what I'll do. I'll post it on here on our feed. So yeah, y'all have a good one.